What are your workers' rights against employer coercion? Imagine going to work and feeling like your boss is trying to pressure you into doing something you're not comfortable with. That's not right, and you have protections under the law. Workers have the right to be free from employer coercion, which means bosses cannot threaten, intimidate, or pressure employees to influence their decisions at work. This includes decisions about joining or not joining a union, participating in protests, or speaking out about workplace issues. Federal law, called the National Labor Relations Act, protects your right to organize and take collective action without fear of punishment. Employers are not allowed to threaten you with losing your job, benefits, or opportunities if you support or oppose a union. They cannot promise benefits to sway your opinion or question you about union activities in a way that makes you feel scared or uncomfortable. For example, they cannot say you will be laid off or transferred if you try to organize or speak up. They also cannot punish you for filing complaints or participating in investigations about unfair labor practices. If you report unsafe conditions or unfair treatment, your employer cannot retaliate by giving you a bad review or firing you. While employers can share their opinions about unions or workplace policies, they cannot make threats or coercive statements that threaten your job security or benefits. For instance, they can discuss potential changes if a union forms, but they cannot threaten to make your work environment hostile or take adverse actions just because you want to organize. Beyond union issues, workers are protected from other coercive practices like forced arbitration agreements. These are contracts that limit your ability to take legal action in court. Some laws are working to limit or ban these agreements so workers can seek justice if they experience workplace violations. At the state level, laws are also being created to protect workers from unwanted political or religious speech at work and from retaliation for exercising their rights. These laws can provide faster help and remedies like reinstatement, back pay, or protection from retaliation. Knowing your rights means understanding that your employer cannot legally threaten or pressure you to give up your rights to organize, speak out, or participate in collective actions. If you feel your employer is coercing you, you can report this behavior to the National Labor Relations Board or your state labor agency. They have the authority to investigate and address these violations. In short, your workers' rights against employer coercion include protection from threats, intimidation, or punishment related to union activities or exercising your workplace rights. You also have the right to access legal remedies if those rights are violated. Being aware of these protections helps you stand up for yourself and ensure fair treatment at work.